Hi guys, yeah, in the car again, waiting for my wife. I'm going to do another one of my charity shop gold or garbage videos, because while I've been waiting for my wife, I've been to the charity shops in Nailsea. So I've got a few odds and ends there. I'll put you in the little bracket on the steering wheel here, and we'll have a look at what we've got. I think we're pointing in the right direction. What's in the bag, Grandad? Yeah, not a lot. Paint your own kite. Cost me £1. St Peter's Hospice, that would be. Top was open and I had a quick peek inside. It looks like it's unopened. Looks like it's missing the paints, which is not a problem, because usually when you buy things from a charity shop, any paint in them's dried out because it's years old. So yeah, you've got a little kite there. It says it's 65 centimetres long. It's got a tick there saying it should be the lion. Yeah, it'd be that one. Can you see that? So, a kite for £1. Whether I do it myself or leave it for my grandchildren. And then in the next charity shop, another kite. I did find the string somewhere. Yeah, string, kite. 50p this one. It's some sort of cloth. Got the bits. Yeah, it looks like fun. Yeah. Oh, 50p, can't complain about that, if it flies. So, 2 kites now. What else? Oh yeah, one of my little wooden clip together kits. This one's got paints. A train. I think I've done quite a few of these. They keep turning up. 49p, that one. That was St Peter's Hospice as well. So that'll go in the back of the car, something to do when I'm sitting here waiting for my wife. And then finally, another one of these cars in a can. I've got one. I'll have to wait till I get home so I know whether it's a different frequency. This one's 40 megahertz. I already looked in the shop. Oh, £1.50 this cost me. I did check that all the bits were there. We got the instructions, got the controller, got the car. Oh, 49 megahertz. 49 megahertz. Okay. Which way round does it go? That way round. Okay, no idea if we got any batteries in there because I didn't look. I've got batteries in there. The light didn't come on though to indicate it was charging, so I'd guess those batteries are probably flat. Oh no, got a light there. Okay, switch it on. Oh, looks like it's charged up already. Yeah, probably not fully charged. I'll switch that off again. Yeah, I would have thought the little light would come on to indicate it was charging. Never mind, that looks okay, doesn't it? What car is it? Looks loosely like a Mustang, doesn't it? What's it tell us? Made in China. Gold Rosita number 1681. Mini racing radio control. Oh, we could look at the instructions, see what the charging says. Yeah, charging indicator. The car turn on electricity longer time, 6 to 10 minutes. Equipped with large capacity battery. Longer distance, 6 to 20 meters. Ooh. Ah, charging. It's got a... stupid boy. Now I remember. Charger's in the end here. Yeah, there it is. Silly boy. That goes in there. Charging light comes on. Right, brilliant. Yeah. And what do I do with the aerial? That was in the pack. There it is. Don't want to lose that. So the only question is, what's the frequency of the one that I've got already? If they're both 49, then we can't race them, obviously. But if they're different frequencies, then we can race them. Right, I think that's it. Yep, bag's empty, so it was only a car, 2 kites, and a wooden kit, wasn't it? That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.